Hey guys, welcome back. And in front of me, as you could see, I have a package that I've been expecting. I think I know what this is. This is a charger, more of a wireless charger from Indiegogo. And I backed this up probably in January, and I finally received it. So let's jump right in it. So right from the back, you guys see it says Charge Labs. That's the company that's making these chargers on Indiegogo. Check out the content of the box. All right. It's actually smaller than I thought, but very nice quality. Aluminum around. Nice soft charging pad in front. Micro USB. Instruction manual. The cable. And this little thing, a giraffe, it's a cable management. The reason why they gave us this is because they delayed the shipping and manufacturing of this thing by like 3 months. But they finally got this out to us, and yeah, it actually looks pretty good. Let's keep on going. Let's see what else we have in the bag. Man, when they said super slim, they were not lying. So what do we have here? We have the 8000 milliamp battery, 5-watt output, 12 watts, USB-C, micro USB. Okay, cool. All right, so this is the package that contains both the PowerBank and the pad. So there's different perks and options what to get. So I got one that was just like this, and one with it. Same thing in here. You get the cable and the giraffe. You get 2 cables for 2 of them. What else do we have in here? We have a USB-C to Lightning fast charge cable, I believe, and that's it. Alright guys, let's plug this in and see how this works. Alright guys, so I plugged in the charging pad, and as you guys could see, when it's not charging, it glows red. Now when you place the device on it, it beeps, and then it starts charging. And when it's charging, it glows blue. So let me show you. You see how it glows blue right as I take the device off? Now let's try the PowerBank. Is there a button to turn this on or not? So there is on the bottom. And as we could see, there's LED lights. So when you place this, it starts charging. I don't know if you guys could see it. So when I pick it up, put it back down, there you go. So there you guys have it. Portable charger, QI pad for your home, office. I'll have the link on the description below. Check them out. Let me know what you guys think. See ya.